So what's up guys, this is me Om and welcome back to yet another video. So today is 22nd of November, Saturday 2025, and I have finally managed time to unbox HotWheels packet. And as you can see behind me, there are a few more packets which I got it from Hamleys recently, which I will be unboxing and uploading it on the channel later. So till then, continue watching my video. In today's video, I will be unboxing this packet of HotWheels from MOPAR edition. Before unboxing this packet, let me inform you that this video isn't sponsored by HotWheels or anyone. I have purchased this packet on my own terms. So let's get started. From this packet of HotWheels, we have got every car right in the box belongs to Dodge. As you can see, these are all the models which are available in this packet. So now let me put this packet aside and let's begin. Wow, so the first car that we have is this Dodge Daytona number 1, which looks so fantastic in this red color, and it's fully metallic. As you can see, it's silver and the car looks so beautiful. The same car had also been featured in the movie Fast and Furious and movie Cars. It's an amazing machine with number 1. Now let me put it on the floor. Second car, which is Dodge Challenger, that too in white color. Wow man, you won't believe the quality which this car has right now. The headlights, the color, and the MOPAR edition written on the side of the door. Wow. Dodge. And the third car that we have, it's not car, basically it's an truck. You can also say a pickup truck, which is in yellow color. Wow, it has got an silver metallic finish underbelly and right in the grill. It has also got an space. And the fourth car that we have is an American Muscle Dodge. Nice man, I like the quality, the premiumness, and ignore the background noise of the car honking. Nice man, I like every model present in this box. And the last car that we have is this. That's crazy, right? Dodge Viper, one of the fastest machine available from the brand Dodge. Nice man, it is in blue color. So like I have covered every car belonging from this box, which is Dodge. comment down the best car which you liked from this collection. Would be my personal favorite from this collection would be this Dodge, because it has metal finished, and by the color wise yellow would be my favorite. One of the best collection I have covered so far from the Hot Wheels collection. Now let me give you an cinematic shot from this. Wasn't any cinematic shot, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of the car. That's so good, man. MOPAR edition. That's great. Now let me feel the quality. Fully metal finish. It weighs a lot, man. Look at the bonnet and the massive wing it has got. Dodge. Even the movie Cars, Dynaco, a brand which was featured in the movie Cars, was in the blue color. This was the exact same car which was featured, and I have got it. I feel so blessed to get this packet. Of course, this monster truck. This isn't monster truck, but still, this is good. It has got this polarizer windshield. That's crazy, right? Pickup truck. And the fourth and the fifth car. Wow. I wish Hot Wheels would have sponsored this video or this packet of MOPAR edition Hot Wheels. I wish in the coming future I'll work hard to make it come true that Hot Wheels send me the packets of Hot Wheels to get featured in my video. For that I will need to work hard. But right now I've earned it on my hard working money. I worked so hard to achieve this packet. It costed me around 900 rupees, 179 rupee 0.80 cents. So total it costed me 900 for this packet. Each car cost 180 rupees. That's great, man. Now let me give you the cinematic shots and the photographs which I will be putting in the video right now. So let's get started. So I have parked all the cars in this flower edition. Go. So now I'll be pushing all the Hot Wheels car one by one to check the speed. Let's go. This goes left. This is going right. This goes straight. And this white one. And the last one that we have is the wiper.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world.
अरे यार मैं